Hello everyone. Hello to Inday Carmelita, to Dodong Christopher, and Dr. Nick. This is Mio, the oldest brother of Inday Carmelita and my wife, Linda. You would like to wish her a very happy birthday.
Hi, Dai. Happy birthday, Dai. Enjoy your special day. And may God bless you always. And thank you for everything. God bless you.
Indeed, thank you for everything. You have been so generous to your siblings. And that is so good. And I'm sure all your siblings are happy for what you've been doing to them. Again, happy birthday. We all love you, Inday.
Love you,
Bye-bye.
Dai. Bye.
Happy birthday, Dai. Wish you all the best. See you soon in Bohol. Bye.
Happy birthday, Dai. Yes, see you on Bohol. Hopefully here in the States also. Have a good one. God bless and best wishes. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Auntie Inday. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Auntie Inday. We wish you the best and God bless always.
Happy birthday, Dai! Wishing you all the best in life. You are so blessed and continue to share your blessings to everyone. Happy 60th birthday.
Happy birthday, Inday. Welcome to the Senior Citizens Club. Happy 60th birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Yay!
A very happy birthday to the Queen of the House. No? Not only the Queen to Dodong and Nick, but also the Queen to our family. A very, very happy birthday to Inday Carmi. We know very well that when my mother died, she is now the point of unity. She's always there to accompany us. Siya na yung nagagalit, siya na yung nagpapaalala, siya yung nandyan lagi para sa amin. No? We love you not only because you're generous, but you're so kind. Everybody loves you. Pag umuwi yan, lahat gusto magsundo. Buong bayan nakasundo. Hindi pareho sa akin. Pag ako umuwi, kulang na lang na mag-taxi, mag-isa. Well, anyway, happy birthday, Inday Carmi. Wishing you all the best as you reach into this milestone of your 60th birthday. May God shower you with all of His graces. He will shower you with joy, health, prosperity, and great happiness. We thank God for your presence. We thank God for your love. And we are so grateful to have you as our sister. A very, very, very happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Day!
Happy birthday, Inday.
Regards, no? Libat, oh.
Enjoy your celebration. May you continue to stay healthy and wealthy. Thank you for everything. And thank you for being a source of inspiration to everyone. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Inday. Happy 68th birthday, senior citizen na. Hope you have a wonderful day and wish you all the best. And naghan kayong salamat sa pinaka-caring and loving sister sa Tibok Kalibutan. Love you and happy birthday again.
Hi to my best favorite older sister, Carmelita Inday. I wish you a happy 60th birthday, and I wish I was there for you to celebrate your milestone. Thank you very much for your thoughtfulness, for your generosity. I love you. We love you so much, and wishing you a happy birthday and more blessings to come. Yay!
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Nang! Cheers another year and always young at heart.
Happy 60th ng Inday. Salamat sa tanan. God bless you and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday.
Go.
Happy birthday, Tinday. Wish you all the best.
Thank you for your love and support.
May God bless you.
Take care, Tinday.
Bye-bye.
Stay healthy and happy. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ng Inday. 60th birthday. Masabi ko, thank you sa tanan sa tulong o kanang helping me and my troubles and helping me with my recovery, helping me in my marriage, and helping me in living with in Christ's name, Jesus, and helping me how to know God more. Thank you.
Happy 60th birthday at Inday. Salamat sa tanan sa support, for taking care of us, for taking care of Lloyd. Salamat din kayo sa tanan. And we love you. Happy birthday. Stay young and healthy. We love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Inday.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, liebe Auntie Inday. Happy birthday to you. Wir wünschen dir zum 18. Geburtstag alles Liebe und nur das Beste von uns.
Ganz viel Gesundheit und Gottes Segen.
Wir lieben dich.
Wir lieben dich.
Happy 60th birthday.
Happy birthday, Tinday. Everyone has fever. We all have flu here. Hope you have a good 60th birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Don't say it exactly like you say it. Ava?
Happy 60th birthday. It was awesome seeing you in the US. I hope you come back soon. And I hope that I visit you in Europe soon too. Goodbye.
Adlaw Inday, today is your special day. I wish you a very happy birthday. I pray that you will continue to have good health and good fortune. You're a very wonderful person, loving and dedicated to your family. Again, I wish you a very happy birthday.
Hello, Day. A surprise greetings.
Happy birthday, happy 60 birthday mo mo kag 30 gapon, 30 years old. Mas tiguan pa mo po ng 30 years old for the second time, but happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, teacher Inday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Zum Geburtstag viel Glück, zum Geburtstag viel Glück, Zum Geburtstag alles Gute, zum Geburtstag viel Glück.
Happy birthday, Carmelita. Welcome, Senior.
Happy birthday, Inday. Oh, Inday is a very good friend. Actually, to describe her, she's the most charming person I've ever met, and truly beautiful inside and out. More blessings, Inday, as you celebrate your 60th this year. I love you.
Hi, Inday Carm. Surprise! Sending you warm wishes for your 60th birthday. I rejoice with you and your family for another year of life. And I wish you more and more of God's blessings. Take care!
Hello, Carmelita. Siguro nakalimot pa ka na ho. Happy birthday! Nakainom pa ka na ho. Classmate ta sa first year o second year. Kaning transfer man ko sa UB.
Hi, Inday. I wish you a very, very happy birthday. And I wish you good health, happiness, and joy, and more birthdays to celebrate. Hope to see you on your next vacation. Happy birthday!
Hi, Carmi. Happy 60th birthday and welcome to the dual citizenship. We are so happy that you're part of our batch because you're one of a kind. You are our compassionate, generous, spiritual classmate. We're always looking forward to your visit because you make it a point to gather us all together every time you are at our place, our home. So Carmi, keep well, keep healthy, keep strong, and always connect with us. Again, happiest 60th birthday from all our batchmates. Bye!